Hello there, today I'm going to show you how to take care of your brand new Rollo. First of all, assemble the parts like shown and gently put the cap on, but not too tightly. Then you can fit it snugly inside the Rollo pouch. And you're good to go. To use your Rollo, first ensure that the targeted skin area is dry. Then gently roll it over the area while slowly increasing the speed and pressure until you get the desired intensity. Be careful not to use it on open wounds, broken skin, or delicate areas like the eyelids or genital area. For hygiene purposes, remember to clean your Rollo daily or after contact with moisturizers or bodily fluids. When cleaning, simply rinse or soak it with running water and soap. After that, you can let it dry. If water is not accessible, wipe it thoroughly with suitable wet wipes. Thank you for watching.